committee, Aicc leaders led by senior party men Gaurav Gogoi today met the Congress candidates who are going to contest the upcoming Meghalaya Legislative Assembly elections from the Congress party. Gogoi, who is also the chairman of the screening committee, said that the team met the candidates to find out their position on the ground, the strength of the group and the mood of the people. Assuring Aicc's full support to the candidates and their campaign, Gogoi said that the party will put up a fantastic campaign for its candidates.
The spokesperson of our party.
We are here to meet with the candidates for the upcoming elections and find out what is the position on the ground, what is the strength of the organization, what is the mood of the people.